Hi friends, welcome to Anu's Life. How are you all? And I've come in front of the camera after a long time, and today I'm using my DSLR camera and I'm really super excited. And today I've prepared a nice dish for you all, and that is egg curry. An egg curry is very delicious and it's very easy to make, and you should definitely have egg once a week or twice a week, because eggs are having good calcium and calcium is very good for bones. So these days doctors always recommend that we should have eggs in our diet, and those who are non-vegetarian, they must always have eggs twice a week. So let us see how it goes. New recipe for you all, egg curry Bengali style. Come on, let's go and have a look. So friends, these are the ingredients, and here I'm having some chopped onion, chopped tomato and chopped ginger and garlic, and some chilies, and if you want you can grate it the way I have done. And here are the masalas which we require for the recipe: and salt, red chili powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder, and you can see these are jeera powder and salt. Next we are having fried egg, and eggs I have fried using salt and turmeric, and this is how you fry and keep it aside. Next, in another pan I have taken some boiled potatoes and I have nicely fried it till it turns golden. Now next I have to take a big karai and I have put on the gas. Let it heat for some time, and then I will add some refined oil inside. So let me put around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil we have to put inside the karai, and we have to wait for some time till the oil gets heated. Now once the oil is hot, we will add jeera and we will saute the jeera for some time till the oil gets the flavor of the jeera, cumin seeds. It is spluttering and the aroma is really very good, very nice, and we'll mix it well. Now we will add the grated onion inside the oil and we will saute it nicely till it is golden fried, as you can see. Next I am going to add some grated garlic inside it. Yes, fresh grated garlic goes inside, and again in the same way we have to mix it very nicely with the onion. This is how you saute. Now next we are going to add some green chilies for the flavor, and this is how you mix it well. After that I am going to add some ginger that is also grated, and if you want you can add ginger paste. So this is how you have to make the masala. Saute it nicely till the oil comes out in this way. Yes. Next I am going to add some tomato. Yes, and this is also grated, so the flavor becomes more tasty, so I prefer to grate it by hand. So you can see the masala, and it is called bhuna masala. It's really very tasty and flavorful, and Indian dishes are mostly made up of all these masalas. So bhuna masala is very essential in egg curry. See how nicely I'm sorting it. All the masalas should mix very well. Friends, after this we are going to add some water in the masala so that it doesn't get burnt. So we'll mix it well with the water, just like this. Once it is well cooked, we are going to add some powder masalas. So now I'm going to add the turmeric powder in it, 2 tablespoons. We'll mix it. And next I'm going to add some salt so that the onion becomes soft. And again I'm going to mix it well, like this. Now I'm going to put jeera masala, coriander powder mix. So friends, next we will add Kashmiri mirch powder, 2 tablespoons for nice red color in the curry. And we'll mix it well. We'll add some water and mix it well the way I'm showing you, like this. The masala must be roasted really nice and the flavors must mix very well. So we have to mix it the way I'm showing you. Now you can add a little bit more water. After the masala is nicely cooked, friends, we have to add the fried potatoes inside it. And we have to nicely mix it with the masalas. You can see in the video how nicely the masala is getting mixed with the potato. And we have to keep on doing like this for 2 minutes. Like this. So if we don't add egg inside it, it becomes aloo dum, aloo ka dum. And if we add egg inside it, it becomes egg kosha, egg curry that Bengalis love to eat. So once it is nicely mixed, I will add some sugar. You can see the oil has come out. So now we can add little bit of sugar for the nice color and texture. And the flavor is enhanced when we add sugar. So again I'm going to mix it well. Like this. Keep on mixing it till the potatoes are nicely covered with the masala. And you can see the oil is coming out of it. Next I'm going to add the fried eggs inside it, and in the same way we have to mix it well with the bhuna masala. And you can see the rich texture and the color. All the Indian recipes are really nice and very tasty. So friends, next we have to add some water in it. According to your requirement you should add. I'm adding 2 cups of water in it as we are going to eat it with rice. Bengalis generally eat egg curry with rice, and if you want to eat it with chapati or paratha, you can keep less gravy. It's according to your requirement and your family members size. So now you can see I've put some water. After adding water, definitely we have to add some more salt. So friends, I hope you all have enjoyed watching my video, and if you have enjoyed, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also share to your friends and family. And if you like my video, don't forget to comment, and I'm waiting for your comments friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.